Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lata and I'm from Karnataka. Okay, guys, I was just curious about how is this lockdown and the quarantine treating you? Whether is it bored, work from home, learning a few things like cooking, training, gym, etc., etc., or just thinking about the old traveling diaries. Comment and let me know how is this lockdown or the quarantine treating you guys. Fine. Okay. Jokes apart. Today, instead of making cooking video, instead of making something which is very interesting topic about COVID-19. Yes, which is very serious, important, and how to take a precautionary measures to avoid getting infected. Let's check out what are all the precautionary measures to be taken. Number one, social distancing. Maintain at least 1 meter or 3 feet distance from yourself and the others. Why we should maintain social distancing is when someone coughs, sneezes, or speaks to you, they release small liquid droplets from their nose, mouth, which may contain a virus. If you're too close to that person, chances are there you to getting infected. So maintain social distance. Fine. Number two, avoid going to crowded places. Why we should avoid going to crowded places? Because where people come together in crowd, you are more likely come into close contact with someone that has COVID-19, and it is more difficult to maintain physical distance. Or 3, usage of face mask. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Why we should avoid? Hands touch many surfaces and can pick up COVID-19 viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose or mouth. From there, the virus can enter into your body and infect you. To avoid this, please wear a mask. Number 4, stay home and self-isolate even with the minor symptoms such as cough, headache or mild fever until you get recovered. Have someone bring you medicines instead you going out and spreading the virus. Number 5, if you have a fever, cough or difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention first. And you can use the Arogya Setu app, which is a mobile application developed by Government of India. Importance of this application is which will send you a notification if you come in contact with the unwell person. To detect this, we need to keep our phone Bluetooth and GPS location on all the time. Okay. For more details about it, I'll be sharing you an Arogya Setu app link in my description box. Please go check it and download it right now. Number 6, keep up to date on the latest information from trusted sources only, such as WHO, World Health Organization, or your local and the national health authorities. Stop encouraging and spreading fake news or rumors. Number 7 and the final one, regularly and thoroughly wash your hands with an alcohol based hand sanitizer or wash it with the soap and the water. Why we should do so? Because it will kill viruses or the bacteria. Now I am going to show you a video how to wash your hand properly, which will kill 100% germs on your hand. At the end of this video, I am going to share whether washing hand with the soap and water is better or using a sanitizer. Let's go to our video. complete hand wash is done. What is the next step? Turning on the tap to wash your hands. What if the virus is sitting and dancing on it too? So follow this step. At least for 2 times, repeat the same procedure from step 1 to step 10 to completely wash off soap residues on your hands. There is no much dangerous things when you are using the soap and water to wash your hands. Okay, if you are using a sanitizer, these are the steps or the precautions to be taken before using or buying a sanitizer. Keep hand sanitizer out of children's reach, as it can be a poisonous if they swallow it. Avoid touching your eye, nose and mouth after applying sanitizer onto your hand because it can cause irritation. Sanitizers can be flammable as it contains alcohol in it. Do not use before handling fire or cooking. Okay. These are the few precautionary steps I am sharing you if you are using a sanitizer. Because of these above reasons, soap and water is the best way to wash your hands instead of using sanitizers.